Testing, testing. 1, 2. We are good to go, guys. What is the one thing that most of us home-based business entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers cannot get enough of? Traffic and lead generation, right? You just can't get enough of it, right? It's the reason why you're on this video, guys. And today, I'm going to show you guys how you can start generating traffic Monday through Sunday, on holidays, and even while you're sleeping, guys. We're talking about my big banner ads marketing strategy. And so, guys, I'm going to let you know right now that once you're inside, I'm going to give you the big banner ads marketing strategy training. I'm going to give you the big banner ads marketing strategy resources, and I'm going to give you guys an actual big banner ads marketing strategy marketing system. It's a premier marketing strategy built exclusively for traffic, lead generation, and the list building, right? And you can lock into the actual system 100% free. But guys, before we even get into that, let's jump over to my email inbox for just a second and see if this traffic is in fact still working for me. Okay, today is should I say today at 4:50 a.m. If you're looking over here on the right, I started generating leads and I just continue to generate leads, guys. That's page 1 through 20. Let's pop over to pages 21 through 40. And it's only 20 on each page. Let's go on and pop over to pages 41 through 60. Yes, the traffic is still fact. It's a fact that still this traffic is coming in every single day. That's page 61 through 80. And guys, we can do this all day. I promise you, I can go back to November of 2021 when I started using this strategy, and the traffic and the leads continue to come in. But what good is traffic and leads if you ain't getting no sign-ups and sales, guys? So let's check one of my accounts real quick and see. Wow, we get some sign-ups coming through here as well, guys. And I can tell you guys that this is just one of the marketing systems that I'm actually bringing sales and sign-ups through using the big banner ads marketing strategy. So today, guys, let's talk about how to download a banner. Okay, we're going to do some banner ads training. I'll show you guys how to download a banner as we jump into this actual series. And if you guys do this right, not only can you generate traffic and leads every single day, you can actually pay yourself while you're doing it by sharing this actual strategy and the marketing system with others. And I'm going to talk to you guys about that in the next video or on this actual inside your members area. And we're going to talk about how you can do that too. But I'm giving you guys everything that you need. It's going to be right here inside of the members area. Now, we're going to click right here, guys, and I'm going to show you guys where to go to download your free banners, okay? Those banners, because that's how we're going to kick this off. We're going to kick it off with some simple banner advertising. And because we're talking about the big banner ads marketing strategy, what better way to generate leads? Most people, I know I started this way when I got up there and I started trying to market and promote. I was just sending people straight to a capture page, and then from a capture page, maybe to a sales page, just trying to sell something to them. And it worked every now and then, but for the most part, guys, the best way to start not only generating traffic and leads, but then actually monetizing that traffic and leads is with value. We want to provide people with something they really need, something they really are looking for, and something that's going to be useful to them so they can grow and scale their business, right? Whatever that thing may be. And in this instance, we're talking about the hottest commodity on the World Wide Web. We're talking about traffic, okay? So what we want to do, we want to lead with traffic, right? Why? Because every single person on the World Wide Web who's doing business of any kind knows, right? Like you know that it's the hottest selling commodity in the work from home based business affiliate marketing, work from home arena, right? So anyway, what we want to do, guys, is we start this process off is we want to be able to download actual banners. And if you guys are not familiar with banners, guys, I have taken the privilege of actually loading up quite a few banners that you actually can have instant access to. I'm always adding more every single day, and I'm going to show you guys, we're going to talk about how you guys can actually download these banners onto your hard drive on your desktop, because we're going to be using them in the next video, because we're going to be uploading these videos into the resources, and then this is how we're going to start generating that traffic should I say, and leads every single day. Now, the way that you download these banners once you've accessed them is simply click on the banner itself. And I'm going to click on the banner itself. You'll see when I do that, you get a little pop-up and come right down here to Save Image Ads and click Save Image Ad. On the left-hand side of my screen, you should see in a second, this field is going to populate, and this is where you're going to name that ad right here, guys, right? Let's just call it that ad. Okay, I named it in the file. I'm going to save it. Look to the left, you'll see it just drop down, and now I can go to my desktop and upload that banner, and that's what we're going to be doing in the next video. Now that we know how to upload these banners, right, or download these banners, should I say, because we'll be uploading them again onto these platforms, let's talk about redirect. Because once you have uploaded a banner to the particular platforms I'm going to introduce you to, and this follows true for most banner advertising sites or sites that actually offer banner advertising, you guys are going to be able to just simply redirect that banner to where it is you want that banner to go. And I'm going to actually walk you guys through that process in the next video. But when that process is all done, and it takes all of about 8 seconds to do it, you would click those banners, so those banners will be clickable to that target audience now, and they'll be redirected. I'm going to click and show you guys right back to your actual capture page, right? Because this is what we want to do. We want to be able to extract leads from so many of the different platforms that I'm going to show you guys, and we can lead our business with lead and traffic generation, right? Traffic and lead generation. We want more traffic. Everybody wants more traffic. And by using banner advertising, the way we're going to use it in these platforms is we're going to position ourselves in front of that vast audience of people. Because every single person just doing any type of business on the World Wide Web needs more traffic. You lead with traffic, you lead with value, you build a list, you pay yourself to build that list by providing that traffic, that leads, that value, and now you can turn around and market your primary biz op or whatever else it is you want to market on the back end, right? You're going to move traffic, right? Moving traffic is universal. Everybody needs it. So that's the process we're going to use. I'm going to back out of here real quick. I'm going to show you guys that example one more time. You guys understand how to up and or download these banners, or you will understand how to upload them in the next video. I'm going to click the banner again. It's going to take me over to the actual lead capture page, the exact same lead capture page that you're going to have instant access to, by the way, as well as the cool marketing system that I'm going to provide you guys with. And remember, guys, I'm giving you guys all of the training. You're going to be able to generate leads and traffic every single day. I'm going to have all types of advertising sources inside your members area. You're never going to run out of traffic ever again, guys. And don't forget the marketing system. Everything that we need, we're going to talk about it in the next video. And guys, we're going to go on and get started with our very first banner ad. So I'll meet you guys in the next video.